Hey, son.
Yes.
What are you doing?
I'm just Netflix and chilling.
Do you remember what I asked you about?
No, what was that?
Oh God, I'm mad at you. I asked you to fix it, but you are turning into a couch potato.
Yeah, I remember that, yeah. I will do it soon, I'll fix it soon, don't worry. Just a simple laptop problem. It should be easy. Take it easy, please.
But you remember the deadline, don't you?
Didn't you say that it should be done by Monday?
Well, things have changed and I need it sooner.
Oh, okay, then I can do it by Friday or Saturday if it's okay with you.
Let it be Saturday.
Okay, then Saturday.
Okay, yeah.
Yep.
Sounds like a good plan.
Yeah.